Hi viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily Video Series. Myself Brijesh Bhatia, Senior Research Analyst and Editor at Equity Master. In this video, we'll be discussing something for derivatives traders. So there is an always an expectation that ahead of Union Budget, there is an increasing volatility. Is that true? What do you think? Okay, let me pull one chart for you. By the time I pull the chart, I would request everyone click on the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that in case as soon as we post the videos, you will receive a notifications. And do not forget to comment in the video so that it helps us really to come up with some of the topics which you want to discuss. Yeah, coming on to the chart over here. So this is the India VIX chart right from 2015 I have taken. So last 6-7 years of data. And if you look at the right from 2015 to 2020, I have taken the last 3 days ahead of budget, previous 3 days of budget plus budget day. And if you look at right from 2015, we have seen 28% fall. 2016, we have seen around 22% fall. 2017 was some exception because the previous 3 day ahead of budget was up by 20%, and on the budget day we have seen down to 17%. So if I just sum up, it's average 3% positive. I've just taken and sum up, not the precise number. I've just not included the decimals. 2000s again 2018 2019 down by 20 to 15%. 2021 one again it was sorry 2020 was slightly ahead, it was up by around 20%. But if you look at the overall, we are witnessing a decrease in volatility ahead of budget. So here, what should derivative traders do? There is an expectation what traders do generally is they look to buy straddle and strangles, while the smart derivatives players look to sell straddle and strangles. So generally, if you are playing for a budget and there is an always an index or the stocks which you like with the huge volumes, in case you want to play straddle and strangle, there should be a meaningful volumes in this stock. If you want to buy 10% away or positive or negative from the CMP, so there should be some of the stocks which should have volumes. And even if you look at the stocks like SBI, which might have slightly, I would say, below average volumes of 10% away from their CMP. So you have to choose the strike price very smartly so that you have the volumes. But coming on to the index, yes, straddle and strangle has played for a short sider rather than a buy sider. Yes, I'm not including the delta move over here. I'm just including the India VIX moves so that in case you find delta move, the retailers can benefit out of it. But if I let's look at the straddle and strangle, the smart players ahead of budgets tends to look for a short option into the straddle and strangle. But for retailer, if you want to really play the budget or want to play the delta move with the volatility, I think you should not go very far out of the straddle and strangle. So if I just look at the 14,200 14,300 moves, either you can look for going on 14,100 14,500 or probably 14,000 14,500. But don't go like 14,000 and 15,000 or probably 13,800 and 15,000 simultaneously, because generally the volatility decreases by that time, and the options premium tends to lose its value. So my suggestion is, if you want to really play straddle and strangles, try to narrow down your slightly ranges. Though the premium might be higher for you to when the ranges are slightly lower, but if the volatility comes, or I would say the delta move is there, you tend to get money out of it. And if there is no delta move, the volatility would slightly reduce very faster, so that the premium which the huge out of the money strikes will won't give you that much. So if you want to really play the budget, if straddle and strangles, try to look that you are not moving especially in the strangle part, you are not moving very far out of the CMP. So choose your strike price very very wisely when it comes to the strangle part when playing into the budget. So that's into the video. So we have seen that generally the India VIX falls when the budget, and it is not true that the volatility or India VIX will increase ahead of budget. So there are lower instances where the India VIX have seen an uptick moving into the budget. But yes, the post budget they generally tends to fall. So keep a watch on that. And if you want to really play the budget, I would suggest look for stocks where you think there might be some announcement for into the budget for some of the sectors and stocks which have a slightly higher above average volumes or open interest into the strike price. Look for those. So choosing a strike price in stocks is very much important, looking at the volumes, because they don't give you easy exits when the volumes are slightly lower. That's all in the video. Thanks for watching, and again I would say do comment on our video so that it really helps us to come up with more and more videos for you. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my email newsletters, Fast Profits Daily, and get a free guide on how to trade markets like pro. Thank you.